I mean, the sky's the limit for us. I said that, but we're a very different team from week one, and we're going to continue to evolve and grow and see what's working for us.
I just love football, so in any way that I can help this team win, that's what I'm here to do.
These Colts, really good football team. I know our guys are looking forward to the challenge. 2 3-1 teams really should be a great game.
You know, there's been good things that are happening, and we're playing at a high level, and we've been winning. First quarter of the season, 3-1, in a city that, you know, wants to win, right? We're running downhill, and we're having a good time.
All these things are not by mistake. You know, we go out here and we work hard each and every day, and you know, we're understanding, you know, the pieces that we're trying to put together to make the run and you know, win every week.
But they got some great players on that side of the ball, you know, some big physical guys, some guys who can run, and we just got to come ready to play. They're going to give it their best shot.